Okay, so where Steve is, straight back from where that stake is.
I also have the corner marked back there too, but it's way in the trees.
Way in the trees, you can't see. It goes way back there.
Not from here, no.
Because this whole lot is what, 2 acres?
About 1.5.
1.5 acres?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, just look at all those trees over there to be cut down. There's some pretty big trees, so if we wanted all this cleared out, we'd definitely have enough room for field lines and putting the house where we want it.
Yep.
Then we'd have to do some type of, I guess we could do it with the trees as far as our property line instead of having to worry about a fence back here. But definitely a fence on that driveway, so we don't have that happening again. But yeah, all that's ours, and there's the other one. So this is the next big project to focus on, to clear out. Look at all this overgrowth. I mean, I might keep some big pines that are healthy, but this other crap in here.
There's another tree we have to be concerned about too.
Which one?
I'll show you.
Looks like it's dying.
See that big
oak tree?
I guess it's an oak.
Yeah.
Right there.
In the middle.
See how big the trunk is?
Yeah. Why do you say that?
Because it might get in the way. It's going to be a big tree to take down. So more than likely, we're probably better off leaving it there.
Okay. So we can take this one down, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so this is a really pretty oak. I mean, it still looks like it's in good condition. Yeah.
Nice healthy tree.
It's a healthy tree. So we'll probably keep this one. See how they had a swing on there at one time.
Yeah, it's been up here so long that the chain's thrown into the tree.
But we can have an arbor come over too and test it and let us know, you know, the condition of the tree. But yeah, that one over there, get rid of it.
Yeah.
This one. There's a nice tall one, yep.
And you kind of see all where I got it marked.
Wow. Yeah, where is that? Let me go see where that's at. Oh, I see the pink ribbon. Yep. I don't know if you can see the pink ribbon in that corner. I don't know how to zoom in with this GoPro. I gotta mess around with it. I have a book on how to do all that. I just haven't read
There's a marker over here from when someone had it surveyed before we bought it.
Yeah.
We never had it surveyed.
No. Because it was already
over here.
Yeah, when we bought it, it was already surveyed.
Yeah.
We didn't have to worry about that. Okay. But yeah, there it is. That's the corner.
I think this might be it here.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I would get this ugly thing out of the way, all of these scraggly, overgrown bushes.
Yeah.
Maybe just, I mean, we got to see where.
Oh, no, here it is, look. Right there.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, right in front of our face.
Yep.
So, yeah, you got the corner right. It's matching up.
Yeah, I put that one there.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure that this is the corner of the property.
Okay, and not that one.
Right.
Okay, so we got to bring this up. How many feet would you say that is? About 8 feet?
What, from here to here?
Yeah.
No, that's more like 10 12 feet, something like that.
Okay, so we got to bring this up because that's the original survey marker right there.
I would trust this more than I would that.
Yep. Okay. So we know that all of that back there is probably our neighbors.
Yeah.
But still, now we have a really good visual of what trees we can cut down. And yeah, if we got all of this, then I would say because of the size house, we want to put a little house back here and we want to have field lines. I'm sure We clear all this brush out. What about this? It's just...
I'd want to get rid of that, to be honest.
Yeah, looks like an octopus.
Yeah. But it's got a really good face, as you can see. It's just got all these little shoots coming off of it, but it's been a while.
Yeah,
You see this one here.
It's all over the place.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
But this tree would probably be the expensive tree to get rid of too.
See, that's the thing with the big trees back here. How far? Because if we keep that one, then really trying to, I mean, look at, we can only come now off of the property line. We have to be what,
20 feet.
Is it 20?
It might actually, no, it's 10.
10, yeah. I thought it was 10 to 20, but it's 10. Then we couldn't have a house as close as that house is to the property line. We have to bring it up 10 feet.
I'm looking at this. If we got rid of this, we could probably leave this one up, just trim off some of these limbs. And from maybe even this one too, but I think if we ran it this way, we would have...
Getting that tree out of the way.
Yeah. We would have enough space to run the house this way and still have enough space for the tank and field lines.
Yeah, because they'll have to run the field lines going with the grade of the property, so it's going to go down this way.
I think it's kind of sloping down towards this way.
So the tank, they may end up putting the tank somewhere over there.
Now, one thing we could do
New tank.
is we could put the house running perpendicular to the driveway on this side, the other side of this tree here.
And have the back.
Right, because we wouldn't have to clear out a whole lot of trees there either. And we can just run it across there, and then we'd have plenty of room back here for field lines. I have to dig through some of these tree roots and all that, but
yeah,
I don't think that would be too much of a problem.
Well, the Thrifty's a 14 by 36, the long Thrifty.
Yeah.
And then we have the Linville with the little porch.
Right.
It's kind of like if we put a brand new home, always the porches are what sells the house. People are like, oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Out here in the South, they love their porches. A lot of them have screened-in porches because you hear Steve smacking his legs.
Mosquitoes.
It's these darn mosquitoes. Doesn't matter. And that's why they have screened-in porches around here. But you're saying like the back of the house would face that house?
Well,
in
the
their
front. Well, I was thinking having the front of the house face this direction, the front door facing this way.
And have the field lines coming back over here?
Yeah, out here somewhere.
Yeah, once this house gets out of the way and we cut down a few of these trees, then we'll have more of an idea.
You know, if we did that, we might be able to get away without having to move the power pole.
Yeah. Even though it's going to be a lot smaller than this house. This house is 70 to 80 feet long. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And it's a 14 wide as well. So you cut that down, taking about what, 3/4, 2/3 of it off or something. And you
about a fourth of it.
Just a fourth?
Yeah. So probably right about to where the back door is, give or take.
Okay. But yeah, I like the idea once we clear this out of having it, instead of facing that way, facing either the front that way or the front this way.
Yeah, and that way we would have a better yard. Of course, we still have to clear out some trees, but
we can keep at least this big old oak and clear out these little guys.
Yeah.
And even clear that one out.
If we did that like we did it over there, we wouldn't have to clear out but a couple of small trees. And then the rest of it, we just get by with just like pruning and stuff.
Yeah, like this one needs major pruning.
Yeah.
So we can still keep this one, just prune it up.
Right.
In fact, what I would do, yes,
cut this down.
Cut this one down.
And cut this down.
And just let those two grow.
Yeah.
Yeah, because...
And of course, maybe take that one down.
No, I want to take that one down. I don't like it. Look at it.
Okay. Yeah.
Ugly. I don't know what that is, but
Some oak.
yeah. See what I can do? I can do something creative. See, it looks like somebody's torso is like their head and their is down there, and their arms are down, and their legs are right here. So I can cut it and paint it and do some carving to make it look like someone is
Caterpillars on you.
upside down.
Silkworms.
Upside down in the dirt here. Be funny.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's our next big project besides working on Sally, our forever big project. And start working where we're dealing with almost retirees or people that are still active and are not in bad health, and they just want a little place to rent and not much to have to take care of. And they can go travel more, have more money for that. And who knows, maybe I might do an all-inclusive out here as well. Yeah, take this ugly thing down.
Yeah.
A lot of ugliness out here. This, whatever that was. Yeah, so if you know anyone that wants a trampoline or a basketball hoops and stuff, yeah, I could see this, like you said, putting it this way.
You got space for it here.
Yeah.
In fact, now that we've reassessed it and we talked about doing that, if I could get the tractor out here, then I could probably remove all the trees we needed to myself.
They seem
And
pretty
just-
big for that little tractor.
You can get the bush hog and just kind of bush hog and just clear out some of this junk.
Well, that's what I was thinking about Philip.
We'll pay him to do it. But
Yeah, your tractor's not big enough.
you can handle a little
You
bit of
have
work. that needs
a
to be
nice
done
tractor
here.
toy, but his is a huge bulldozer. and
Tractor's not a toy, it's a tool.
It's a tool, but
Get it straight.
men are more expensive than women because their tools are expensive.
Really.
Yes, I think so.
Really.
What have I bought that is more expensive than what you've bought already?
Really.
See, he's not saying anything because he knows I'm right.
You guys know.
No, we got a bunch of brick there. I can turn something into those bricks, like around a
We could
garden.
use these for piers. Some of these for piers.
Oh. Well, yeah, we will. For the new house, we can save those.
Yeah.
Are those the 2x8s? They're bigger than 2x8s.
I can measure them,
Well,
but
yeah, and these are little bricks. These
Yeah.
are good for, like, you know, when you want to do a planter or something, like a little garden hedge or whatnot. You can do that. Now we can put that to use. All right, so on to Sally. Until next time.